You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly this very common word from anatomy. Everyone uses it, but many mispronounce it. So let's break it down once and for all. British English pronunciation: umbilical, stress on the B syllable, umbilical cord, or in American English the pronunciation is more as cord, umbilical cord, or British English again, umbilical. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.